I've been in Dallas, Fort Worth for 4 years. The community's always been good to me. For me to be able to help out, that's just a great feeling. My name is Michael Gallup, wide receiver for the Dallas Cowboys. The women's group that we're helping today, they needed an extra hand, trying to renovate just a little bit, get it up to date for them.
Federated Women's Group is an organization made up of 8 different clubs. We come together as a group to collectively do programs for seniors, the youth in the community, and to support other activities.
Lowe's has helped get all the funds out here, all the supplies. I'm glad I'm part of the home team. Volunteering and giving back, that's always been a big thing for me. If you can help, I don't see why you wouldn't.
We'd have never had the funds or the ability to get this done. Lowe's gave us the opportunity to do that.
I'm Michael Gallup, and I'm part of the Lowe's home team. Check out lowes.com/home team to learn more about the Lowe's home team.